Listen up, traders. Right now is one of the worst times to buy a trading computer if you don't know what's happening behind the scenes. New systems are shipping with less RAM and weaker configurations while the prices keep climbing. The window to lock things in is closing, and most traders won't realize it until their orders hesitate and their fills start getting worse. Now here's the good news. I saw this coming early and I already built a way around it for traders. In this video, I'll explain what's actually happening behind the scenes, and I'll show you how to protect yourself before this window closes. Right now, RAM prices have gone completely insane across the industry. SSD prices have doubled in a very short period of time. Graphics cards aren't far behind, and now even processors are climbing fast. This isn't just one component anymore. It's everything traders rely on. Now, here's the thing. Most computer companies aren't warning you about this at all. They're quietly protecting their margins by cutting specs instead. Less memory, weaker configurations, same price or higher price, and if you don't know what you're looking for, you'll never notice it on their product pages. If you've been shopping around for a computer recently and felt confused or frustrated, that reaction makes sense. This isn't normal inflation or a temporary spike. What's happening right now is structural, and once hardware prices reset higher, they rarely come back down quickly. Let's start where the damage really began, which is memory. RAM prices have surged as much as 400% over the past year. Industry forecasts are calling for another 50% increase in just the first half of 2026. Why should traders care so much about RAM specifically? Because your trading platform lives in memory. Real-time charts, scanners, indicators, and order flow all depend on it. When RAM gets squeezed, your entire system starts choking under the pressure. This isn't just basic supply and demand. The real driver behind this entire mess is artificial intelligence. AI data centers require massive amounts of high bandwidth memory, and all memory starts on the same limited silicon wafers. Those wafers are extremely difficult to manufacture, and the supply is capped. High bandwidth AI memory also uses roughly 3 times more wafer capacity per gigabyte than standard memory. When AI companies consume wafers at scale, there's less left for everyone else, and that's why prices are exploding so fast. SSD prices are skyrocketing as well, and this surprises a lot of traders. The same companies that make RAM also make flash storage. Right now, they're prioritizing memory because it's more profitable. So less flash production means higher SSD prices almost immediately. More industry reports show flash prices more than doubling in just the last 6 months. Even traditional hard drive prices are going up. Data centers are buying them in bulk for cold storage as the faster options are getting too expensive. The entire storage market is under pressure. Graphics cards are next in line. GPUs require memory, so rising memory prices push GPU prices higher. CPUs, motherboards, and supporting components are also feeling the squeeze, and forecasts are already warning that 2026 could bring real component shortages. New manufacturing plants are being built, but they won't come online until 2027 or 2028. That means tight supply and elevated prices could last for years, and there isn't a quick fix to this situation. This is a long-term reset. And here's what that means in the real world for traders. Computer builders are quietly cutting specs to survive. Systems that used to ship with 16 gigabytes of RAM, they're now shipping with 8. You're asking modern platforms to do more with less. And that's why I say the same thing over and over. CPU horsepower matters, RAM capacity matters, your graphic stability matters. If one of those is weak, your entire system suffers. When it comes to CPUs, processors, I like to talk about the benchmark score. And you can think about that benchmark score like horsepower on a car. Casual swing traders can survive with a benchmark score of around 25,000, but active traders need headroom, not bare minimums. The sweet spot right now is roughly 45 to 50,000, and that's where platforms stay responsive when markets heat up. That's where charts stay smooth and execution stays spot on. And that's exactly the range I design my own systems around. Not marketing specs, real-world performance. And this is where the solution comes in. I saw this supply crunch coming early and I locked in inventory before prices moved higher. Most companies didn't, and that difference matters right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Viper X14 Easy Trading Computer. It's a purpose-built trading computer for real-time markets. It runs a performance Intel Core i7 processor benchmarking at 47,211. That's real horsepower where it actually counts. And it's built for stability, not hype. It's paired with the AI trading-ready NVIDIA RTX graphics card for clean, multi-monitor output. You also get an ultra-fast NVMe SSD so everything launches instantly. And it ships with 32 gigabytes of RAM because breathing room matters when markets move fast. Now here's the part that really matters. I have not raised prices on this system yet. In fact, I'm doing the opposite. This is the inflation buster sale. I'm absorbing the hit on my end so traders don't have to absorb it on theirs. But I need to be straight with you. This window is closing really fast. I don't have a lot of these left. Once this batch is gone, the next batch will cost more. And that's not hype. It's just how the supply chain is working right now. If you already know you're upgrading this year, this is your moment. Waiting could mean paying hundreds more for the same performance or not being able to get the parts at all. The link for the Inflation Buster sale is right below this video. Click it and compare it honestly to what you're running right now. And if you don't know your current benchmark score, there's another link under there where you can test your computer, find out its benchmark score right now. And that number will tell you everything you need to know. Look, no pressure, just clarity. I'd rather warn traders now than watch them get squeezed later. Protect your trading, protect your execution, and protect your capital. My name is Eddie Z. I build trading computers for traders who care about performance. And as always, may the trend be with you. Check out that link.